Okay, students, so in the last video we just covered the derivation of force exerted by the jet on this stationary inclined flat plate. So we have derived whole the equation in the last video, and we have done with one numerical, and another type of numerical was left. So we will be going to the second type of numerical of same concept. So the question is, a jet of a water of diameter 50 mm. So 50 mm is the diameter of the jet, strikes a fixed plate in such a way that the angle between the plate and the jet is 30 degree. Okay, means this is the value of d, this is the value of theta. The force exerted by the water in the direction of a jet is this much. First of all, you should understand that they have clearly given the statement that force exerted by the water in the direction of jet. If they are giving in the direction of jet means what? Obviously they are telling about the fx, correct? In the direction of jet. So this statement clearly states that the 1471.5 is the value of force of fx, correct? We will be saying in diagram. They have clearly given the statement that force exerted by the jet in the direction of jet means what? This value. So they have given the value of fx, not fn or fy. If they have mentioned that it is the force of normal direction to the plate, then it would be Fn. Okay, but this is not the condition. They have clearly mentioned it is the value of the force in the direction of jet. Okay, and next they have determined they have given that find the rate of flow or discharge. So we will be writing all the given. So first given is d is equal to 50 mm. So we will be converting into meters, 0.05 meter. Next is area equals to pi by 4 d square. So this is the area of the jet. And next is theta is 30 degree. They are given in the question. Okay, and one more thing, fx equal to 1471.5 Newton. So our aim is to find the value of q, correct, rate of flow or discharge. So to find the value of q, we will be using this equation. This is the equation of force exerted by the jet in x direction, correct? We have derived this equation in the previous video. So we will be putting all the values. So fx, we have put the value of fx, rho equals to 1000, area we have found out, and we have to find. If you notice that discharge, the equation of discharge is q is equal to area into velocity, correct? This, or we can also write this as a or v, correct? So we know the value of area, correct? So we are just with dealing with only one unknown is v. So we can find the value of v from this equation. So obviously here v will be unknown, okay, into sin square theta. So theta is 30 degree. So in this equation only v is unknown. So we get the value of v as v square equals to 150 by 0.05 equals to 3000. The value of v is 54.77 meter per second. So this is the value of velocity, correct? And next, to find the discharge, q is equal to area into velocity. So area will be this area, correct? And velocity will be 54.77. So we found the value as 0.1075 meter cube per second. To convert into liter per second, multiply by 10 raised to 3. So it will be 107.5 liter per second. Okay. So I hope you got this numerical or both type of numericals. Thank you so much for watching this video.